So my project has really been focused on having more project-based learning opportunities available to the students and for the teachers to practice at Charlotte Central School. So some of the goals of our working group has been to have more exhibitions.
My name is Chris Evans. I'm a 6th grade math and science teacher here at CCS. This is a project that was an incredible collaboration between 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade students, the Lewis Creek Association, with support from Julie Beerworth's Rowland Foundation. This was born out of awareness for stormwater mitigation in shared spaces. Through Lewis Creek, we were able to do some education pieces when students were in 6th grade, and then offer as a club a chance to bring in an expert natural design sign designer, and we were able to create some informative signage for the community to learn about what was done on our campus to mitigate stormwater runoff.
My name is Ava Samuel. I'm in 7th grade, and I'm part of the C3 elected middle school designers, and we got to create a sign for our gravel wetland, which is to help our watershed.
My name is Stone Williams. What engages me in a lot of group projects like this is honestly just being able to think about what you want to do, what strategies that you might want to have once tackling a problem, and it's a really nice way to figure out how to do some things like making a poster for a watershed or making signage for it.
Just last week, the graphic designer came in with the final signage that the kids chose, and we're having a mini celebration event with the local partners, and it's going to get put into our gravel wetland. So it's really cool. It's the teachers that can create the change for the students, and the teachers have invested so much time and passion into this work, and they've all taken risks this year. They've all applied some part of PBL work into their curriculum, added something, changed something, and, been okay with it maybe not working out the way that they want it to work out. But they've all taken that risk, and that makes me so proud of the work that we've been doing as a group. And it's not something I can credit myself for. It really is a collective effort.
I'm Heidi Hustis. I'm the school librarian here at Charlotte Central School for grades K through 8. And our project was a Red Clover Design Challenge. The Red Clover Book Award is a Kids' Choice Book Award for grades K through 4. And I wanted something a little special for 4th graders because it's their last year with Red Clover. They're kind of graduating from it. I think I'm most proud of the fact that I work in a school that allows this type of project to be possible. I work with really great people who tend to say yes when you have an idea that you want to share with them for the kids.
I'm Katie Fraser. I am one of the 4th grade teachers at Charlotte Central School. We created this project, Poetry That Moves Us. It was really inspired by a workshop I attended. It was actually a year ago with the poet and author Georgia Bird, who really just inspired me to bring poetry alive and incorporate it into all the components of life in our classroom, at school. Imagine you are the water fountain. What would that feel like to turn that into a poem? Imagine all these different parts of your life just surrounded by student identity and voice that just came through in their work. That truly is at the heart of this unit. Being part of our collaborative working group, learning about project-based learning and what makes a strong project, thinking about community partners, of course, the core content, essential questions, a project launch, and then an exhibition. So today, this morning, seeing caregivers, community members coming in to read and listen to my poets' work, their voices, and really bringing it to life. We always have publishing parties where we read each other's work, but bringing it in, having their voices here through these QR codes and being able to share beyond our classroom wall in a different way, welcoming in our community, just felt really meaningful.
My name is Andrew Lounsbury, and I teach 7th and 8th grade science at Charlotte Central School, and this is the 7th grade electric dream house project. Students had to work together in their groups to wire up all of the electrical in the house. They needed 2 light switches, at least 5 LEDs, and the rest was kind of up to them. You know, a lot of their own creative design, a lot of troubleshooting, as well as communicating with other groups to try and figure out where the doors are going to go and the stairs are going to go. One of my favorite additions this year was the troubleshooting log. And so at the end of every class, students had to fill out one section of their troubleshooting log. And it was, what's a challenge that I was faced with today? What was the science behind it? Why was it a challenge? And how did I overcome it, either as an individual or as a group? And that really allowed me to see the progress of the students over the course of the project in a little bit more depth and detail than I had previously done in years past.
I'm Maddie Culp. I'm in 6th grade, and I'm part of a group called Project Leaders. Project Leaders is a leadership group, and we focus on trying to help with the UN sustainability goals. When we went to the State House, that was really fun. We got to see all the other schools and the projects that they'd been doing, and we had a little workshop, and we got to have new ideas, which is really cool. Choice was part of the reason why I joined Project Leaders. And it was really nice being able to choose what topic we were doing and what sustainability goals I wanted to focus on.
My name's Isabel, and I'm in 6th grade. I feel like something that really engages me is when we get to meet people in our community who do similar work to us, and we can see kind of how the projects that we do affect other people.
I think the student aspect is really important of this work. You might have all these great ideas and you might have a great working team, but always bringing that feedback and that learning back to the students. So to keep them at the center of change, I think is really important.